You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin has dropped right down. If you watch that video at this very area when this candle was forming, I said if this candle closed very significantly, market is going to drop right down. See this kind of drop to the downside. And on BTC 4-hour chart, I said market is going to drop yesterday. If you watch this video, you will see that right at this video, worst moment for Bitcoin coming. And exact same thing on ETH, the same thing that talk about this drop. And right now, what are we paying attention to? Are we going to see more drop to the downside? All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and share this video. Look at this area, guys. On the 1-day chart, I said if we see a breakout on the 1-day chart, if you look at this candle, this very long candle move right down aggressively. I was talking about changing sentiment at this very point, and you see market drop right down because I was expecting market to actually move to 23k. Okay, at this very area, but I told you guys about the change in sentiment that I observed around this very area. That is why I was talking about if this candle close bearish, then we're going to see the market move to the downside, and the exact same thing we see here, guys. So right now, what I am still paying attention to is the market moving to the downside. Yes, market is going to go down. Market is going to go down. I expect the market to go down up to the 17 to 16k level, guys, before we will see some sort of move to the upside on the 1-day chart. Okay, on the 1-day chart. So this is what you should be paying attention to, and I said a breakout here will further send the market back down. If you look at this very candle did not break out because it has to break out and go below every other candle within this area of support, and this very candle will do that if this candle close bearish today. So that is what I am expecting. Still pay attention to the market moving to the downside to about 16k level. And on the 4-hour chart, you see the market drop right down as predicted yesterday, and right now what I am expecting on the 4-hour chart is the market to retrace back up a little bit from this area where the market is right now to this area of 17,500. So expect retracement to the upside from this very area that I circled, that is from this area of 18,300 approximately to this very area of 17,500. Okay, this is where we should expect retracement for the market to move a little bit and then come back down again in line with the 1-day chart, which is still going to move to the downside. And on ETH, the same thing, market move aggressively yesterday as predicted, and right now expect the market to retrace between this very area of 1,200 and this very area of 1,217. Okay, this very area is where you should expect retracement to come into the market before retracement to the upside, then continuation back down again. So from this area right now where the market is to this very point, expect retracement to go up a little bit before continuation in the market. So this is what you should be paying attention to right now, and this is also what I am looking out for in the markets. What do you think about Bitcoin on the 1-day chart? Do you think this market is going to go down as I've been talking about for the past 2 days, or we're going to see the market from here move to the upside? Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you are new to this channel, please check the description of this video. You see Binance link, OKX, and $600 bonus on Bybit, and claim those bonuses. And if you want to enroll for the Remit Trade cryptocurrency and mentorship program and learn how to do simple technical analysis just like I am doing right here for profitable trading, guys, for profitable trading even in the bear market, check the description of this video right now and you see a contact. Reach out to me directly and get a nice mentorship. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.